Lesson 9 of NCERT book. The angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of a tower is 30 degree, and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. Find the if the tower is 50-meter high, find the height of the building. So I have drawn the building here and the tower. Both you can see AB in this case is the tower. Obviously tower is always going to be bigger than should be higher than the building. So this AB is the tower and DC is the building here. So from a point from the bottom of that is a foot of the building, there is C, to the top of the tower, which is A, it makes an angle of 60 degree. This is an angle of elevation. Similarly, from the foot of the tower to the top of the building D here is from B to D is nothing but 30 degree. We have to find the height of the building. Well, the question is very simple, not very difficult. What we can do is we can take the triangle ABC in this case. With this 50 degree as a perpendicular and the angle is 60 degree, we can calculate BC. Now, since DCB also has the same base BC, so using this BC, which we have already calculated earlier, and the angle 30 degree, we can find the length DC, which is the height perpendicular, right? And that is the question. We can be able to answer it in this manner. So let's take the triangle ABC. So I will write here in triangle. So here, okay, we'll take the triangle here ABC. So in triangle ABC, we know that tan ABC has angle 60 degrees. So we'll write here tan 60 degree is equal to AB upon BC. AB upon BC. Fine. Now tan 60 is root 3 is equal to AB is given as 50 here, and BC is supposed to be calculated. So we can say that BC is equal to 50 upon root 3. Okay, so let's rationalize the denominator, which we always should do, because we will finally equate. If it is required, we will do that later on. Let's leave it for the time being here. We have this option. We can write something as either 50 root 3, or we can rationalizing will give you 50 root 3 upon 3. Either way, any one of these can be used, either this one or this one. Fine. Now we'll go to the triangle DCB now. So we write here in triangle DCB. Again, tan angle is 30, so tan 30 degree, right, is equal to DC upon BC. And furthermore, what is DC is supposed to be calculated here. DC we already have how much? That is 50 upon root 3. So we can write tan 30 is nothing but 1 upon root 3 is equal to DC. Now since DC upon 50 root 3 is nothing but DC into root 3 upon 50. Fine. So we can finally write here that DC is equal to 50, right, upon root 3, and this root 3 will also go there. So finally we will have here DC is equal to 50 upon 3, and that comes to how much? So if I divide 50 by 3, give you 16.67 meter. So that is what will give you 16.67 meter, and that is the height of the building, and as an answer here. Okay.